Welcome to HerbNerd TV. Today we're exploring the wonderful world of slippery elm and how it can support digestive health and gut healing. Slippery elm, scientifically known as Ulmus rubra, is a tree native to North America. For centuries, its inner bark has been used in traditional herbal medicine, especially by Native Americans, for its soothing and healing properties. So how does slippery elm benefit digestive health? Soothes the digestive tract. Slippery elm contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats the lining of the digestive tract. This soothing layer can help relieve irritation and inflammation, providing comfort for conditions like gastritis, colitis, and irritable bowel syndrome. Supports gut healing. By forming a protective barrier, slippery elm may promote the healing of ulcers and reduce excess acidity in the stomach. This can be beneficial for those dealing with acid reflux or heartburn. Eases constipation and diarrhea. The mucilage can absorb excess water in the intestines, which helps to normalize bowel movements. It adds bulk to stools in cases of diarrhea and softens them when dealing with constipation. Nutrient absorption. Slippery elm may enhance the absorption of nutrients by calming inflammation and irritation in the gut lining, allowing for better digestion. How can you use slippery elm? Slippery elm tea. Mix 1 teaspoon of slippery elm powder with a cup of warm water. Stir well and drink it once or twice a day. You can add a bit of honey or cinnamon for flavor. Lozenges. Slippery elm lozenges are available and can be soothing for both the digestive tract and sore throats. Capsules or tablets. For convenience, you can take slippery elm in capsule form. Be sure to follow the recommended dosage on the packaging. A few important considerations. Consult your healthcare provider. Before starting any new herbal remedy, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Medication timing. Slippery elm can slow the absorption of other medications due to its mucilaginous properties. It's advisable to take it at least 2 hours before or after other medications. Allergies. If you're allergic to elm trees or other members of the Ulmaceae family, avoid using slippery elm. Conclusion. Slippery elm is a gentle and effective herb that offers a natural way to support digestive health and promote gut healing. Incorporating it into your wellness routine might just provide the relief you've been seeking. Thanks for tuning in to HerbNerd TV. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more herbal insights. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.